How to fix explorer.exe? The application has not been provisioned in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this issue. First of all, open the command prompt, click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, type sfc space /scannow, sfc space /scannow. Press enter, wait until it is 100% completed. Then go to the video description. In the video description, you will find some commands. Go to the description, copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt, press enter. Then copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. At last, copy the Restorehealth command, paste into the command prompt, and press enter. Once completed, close the command prompt, close other running tasks, and restart your computer. The explorer.exe, this application has been provisioned, should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.